once dreamed of finding my second half, but at times I doubted it was possible. And yet, here we are. You're my dream come true, and right now I'm witnessing a miracle glowing right in front of me. I want you to be my love, my comfort, my rock, and my wife forever.
Johnny, from the moment we met, you felt like home to me. Over the last 4 years, I felt my most at peace being with you. I want to thank you for accepting me exactly as I am.
I've grown wiser, stronger, and see that all things are falling in place gracefully.
As we take this next step in our journey together, I promise to be a partner that you can rely on and to be steadfastly by your side as new chapters of our lives unfold.
It is a very precious moment in life when two persons who are strangers to each other are drawn together by an irresistible attraction so that their souls cannot be divided by time or space. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Now you may kiss your brother.
Is the type of person who can make friends with anyone and is so much fun to be around. I always admired that about her. Her light, her warmth, it shines so bright and it makes you feel like you're at home. I remember the first time I met Johnny and quickly realized that he gave off that same energy, that light, that warmth. I knew from that moment that they were meant to be together.
Now to you that might seem like a little thing, but to me it's like changing winter to spring. I got so much love, baby, I've got so much love, well it's more than enough to last a whole night through, and it's all for you. There's so few women nowadays who understand the soul of a man. They're always only taking in, never giving, never offering.
As you both embark on this new journey together, I know it will be full of love, laughter, and plenty of adventure.
I would have to say the same thing for Lauren and Johnny. How blessed they are to have found that perfect match. Let's toast this amazing couple as we wish them many, many years of happiness and wedded bliss. Here's to you, Lauren and Johnny.
I've got so